watch out. Cover. Yeah.
One of that guy's up there.
Yeah. I see one, hold on.
This is crap. There's another spot. We have a barricade about 10 meters in front of us.
Yeah. So if you want to take it, I'll suppress you from here, but
You can take it, man.
I see one, hold on.
A little hard to see right now, but there's a grove that you have a little bit of cover in.
He's there.
Yeah, he's right in front of you.
Yeah. Stay low. Fuck.
If you get in the bush,
Nice, good shot. Is he behind cover? Okay, here we go. One more. Right side. Yes, right side. Yes. 15 meters. Yeah, one more. Right side. 15 meters. 15 meters. Nice. Changing mags. Yeah. Watch the push. Nice, use a tree. Yeah. Watch out.
did we make it?
Yeah. Okay, let's push up. I'm pushing up. Contact.
Pressing fire!
Suppressing fire, let's go! Oh shit! Yep, that's gas. Reloading. Contact front.